Buckle up, because the future of technology is here, and it's powered by Agentic AI. But what exactly does that mean? Picture this: artificial intelligence so advanced, it can make decisions and take action all on its own, responding to its surroundings in real time. From self-driving cars that navigate our streets to smart personal assistants that handle our lives, the possibilities are endless. Understanding Agentic AI isn't just important, it's crucial. It's shaping the tech we rely on daily and raising important ethical and societal questions. Get ready to dive deep into how Agentic AI is transforming the way we interact with the world and why it's the driving force behind the next tech revolution. Don't miss out on discovering how it's set to change industries and reshape our future. Agentic AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that possess a degree of autonomy, allowing them to make independent decisions and take actions without human intervention. The concept of agency in AI implies that these systems can assess situations, weigh options, and execute tasks based on their understanding of the environment. This sets them apart from traditional AI, which typically relies on predefined rules and human input. For instance, self-driving cars exemplify Agentic AI as they navigate complex traffic scenarios by making real-time decisions. Similarly, virtual personal assistants like Siri or Alexa can learn user preferences and adapt their responses accordingly. By understanding Agentic AI, we can better appreciate its implications for innovation, ethics, and the future of technology, paving the way for smarter, more responsive systems. Agentic AI is making significant strides across various industries, revolutionizing how we approach tasks and processes. In healthcare, for example, Agentic AI systems can analyze patient data to recommend personalized treatment plans, improving patient outcomes and streamlining workflows. In finance, these systems are employed for fraud detection, where they autonomously monitor transactions and identify suspicious activities in real time, enhancing security and efficiency. Additionally, in manufacturing, Agentic AI can optimize supply chain management by predicting demand and adjusting inventory levels accordingly. These use cases illustrate how Agentic AI not only boosts efficiency but also fosters innovation by transforming traditional processes. As organizations increasingly adopt these intelligent systems, the potential for Agentic AI to reshape industries and drive progress becomes even more apparent, paving the way for a smarter future. As Agentic AI continues to evolve, it brings forth significant ethical implications and challenges that must be addressed. One major concern revolves around the autonomy and decision-making capabilities of these systems. When AI can make independent choices, questions arise about the potential for bias and the consequences of those decisions. Accountability and transparency become crucial, as stakeholders need to understand how these systems operate and the rationale behind their actions. This leads to ongoing debates about the moral responsibilities of AI developers, who must ensure that their creations are designed ethically and with safeguards in place. As we navigate this complex landscape, it's essential to foster discussions around these ethical considerations, ensuring that Agentic AI is developed and deployed in ways that prioritize human values and societal well-being. The future of Agentic AI holds exciting possibilities, with advancements in capabilities and applications poised to reshape our world. As technology evolves, we can expect AI systems to become even more sophisticated, enabling them to handle complex tasks across various sectors, from autonomous vehicles to personalized education. These advancements will likely play a pivotal role in driving societal changes, influencing how we work, communicate, and make decisions. However, as we embrace these innovations, it's essential to think critically about the implications of Agentic AI. Questions about privacy, security, and ethical considerations will become increasingly relevant as these systems gain more autonomy. By engaging in thoughtful discussions about the future of AI, we can better navigate the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead, ensuring that technology serves humanity in meaningful ways. Understanding Agentic AI is more important than ever, as it marks a major shift in how AI operates and impacts our world. We've explored its diverse applications, from healthcare to finance, showcasing its potential to revolutionize industries and spark innovation. As we address the ethical questions and future advancements of Agentic AI, it's clear this technology will be a key driver in shaping our future. At TECH-OUTTA-HERE, we're here to help you stay on top of these cutting-edge developments. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your input helps us create more content that matters to you. Don't forget to check out more videos on related topics here on our channel, or visit our website for deeper dives into the world of agentic AI and beyond. Thanks for watching, and let's keep exploring the future of AI together.